Hello, everybody. Sergio with the RideShare Guy. So, I finished my experiment. But before I start any of this, I'm urging everybody to help me for this video to go viral. When you see it, please share it. Post it on your social media. Send it to your friends from YouTube, because this needs to be seen by every driver. And more importantly, this needs to be seen by some legislators. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the government, don't get me wrong, right? But this is just unbearable at the moment. However, without being a complaint box, let's talk about it. So my experiment today was to do a couple of short trips, minimum fare trips preferably. It didn't take me too long to do it. And then walk into a gas station or a 7-Eleven to see if I can buy a pack of gum with it. Well, here they are, the two trips that I did, one for Lyft and one for Uber. And I did both trips. I finished it. Then walked into a gas station, videotaped it. So it is real. The question was, can I do minimum fare trips and then go buy a pack of gum? I have bad news. Really bad news. Meaning, I discovered that I could still buy a pack of gum. Now, this is with RideShare minimum fare trips. The food delivery trips on Doordash and Uber Eats and Grubhub are already below a pack of gum level. So I was thinking, I figured, all right, this is the bottom. A pack of gum of 15 of whatever item you choose is still at $2.19. On deliveries, we have cracked the $2 mark going south. Unfortunately, on rideshare trips, we're still hovering right below 3, like 273s, 262 on Lyft. So I'm disappointed that I could buy a pack of gum after doing a rideshare trip. However, that's on gross. Now, if you took the net of that $3.15 trip I did on Uber, and you add the tax on the $2.19 of a pack of gum, then I definitely cannot buy a pack of gum. The other thing I discovered is I definitely can't buy M&Ms, Twix, Mars bars, or anything else with that $3.15. And lastly, I could not buy bigger packs of gum, so I could just buy like 10 packs of gum. So yes and no. The experiment ended in a fashion that in some cases I could buy a pack of gum, in others I couldn't. The bad news is I think these companies are pricing these trips with what a pack of gum will cost. So we're at 262 on Lyft and 273. Those are the two lowest I've seen in LA so far. So we're getting close. So that means the bleeding is going to stop right at 219, because that's what a pack of gum costs on the low end. On the high end, it's like $4 or $5. I couldn't touch it. I couldn't touch any of the candy, so that's the bad part. I mean, what I wanted to buy, I can't buy. But I'm obviously being facetious. These minimum fares have to end. Now, I could do those minimum fares if there was a fantastic quest to go with it. There isn't any. I haven't had a ride challenge for months now. And on Uber this weekend, I had a quest of 20 trips for $25, meaning $1.25, which is an improvement from last week of 20 trips for $20. Yeah, I need this video to go viral, people. I mean, I don't think, we're hit the bottom yet, because pack of gum's still at $2.19, and, until rideshare minimum fares get down to that level, I think there is a little bit more pain to go. Yeah, so one other thing I want to mention. I started writing again on our newsletter. We have a free, FREE, newsletter. Please go www.therideshareguy.com and sign up. I started writing. You will get my articles. You'll just get an email saying, oh, Sergio wrote an article. Oh, Jay wrote an article. There is some amazing information in there. Some tips, some tricks for veterans, for newbies. And lastly, please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, on Show Me the Money Club. Chris and I are doing amazingly well with your support. We thank you for it. Keep your emails coming. I could not be more humbled and appreciative of all the emails with the screenshots. We're up to like 1,500 emails now. And I will respond to each single one. Don't worry about it. It may be delayed, but I will respond. Keep those screenshots coming. That's how we're going to fight these companies. Because to do a trip for $3 or $2.73 or $2.62 in 2024, I think should be illegal. But, I still could buy a pack of gum. What else is there to say? I was wrong. I admit it. I didn't think I could buy a pack of gum. I could buy a double pack of gum or some high-end gum. But, it is what it is. I'm not going to apologize that I was wrong. I mean, I was wrong. I went and bought a pack of gum after I did the trip. Now, if I did the instant pay, that's 85 cents. So if you took the 85 cents out of 315, I'm down to 230. Well, 219 plus tax is close to like 245 in California anyway. So that way I cannot buy a pack of gum. So don't do a minimum fare trip without a quest. That's the lesson here. And don't try to go pack a gum after you cash out your $3.15. So you all be safe out there. Again, join us live every Tuesday. Chris and I, Show Me the Money Club, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. You all be safe out there, okay? And stay healthy.